It's time for car versus car contest. Every week, 2 contestants will show off their car to compete to win a $100 Amazon gift card for me. And the winner will be chosen by you in a poll at the end of this video. And here comes this week's contestants.
This is my 2017 Toyota Tacoma. It's got a 7.5-inch BDS kit on it with the Fox reservoirs in the front, and the Fox 2.0s in the back. It's got 18 by 12 fuel hostages, negative 44 offset, wrapped in 35 1250 Toyo open country MTs. Got LEDs all around, headlights, fog lights, interior lights. Put double 5% tin on the back, 15% in the front. Got some Tiger rock sliders here. Had the truck about 2 months. Just got it lifted about 2 weeks ago from Eastern Off-Road. In the back, we got 2 12-inch Kicker Pro Comp subs with a 4,000 watt Pioneer amp. Nothing too special yet, still a work in progress. Got your standard little mini bed. Nothing too special on the interior. Pardon the mess, just getting back from vacation. Got the LEDs in the front and the back. Cloth interior. And that's about it. Thanks very much.
1980 Ford F-150. It came factory with a 351 modified block, bought from the original owner. They bought new in Provo, Utah in 1980. Truck has been swapped to a 460 big block, cammed, wiring's a mess, retractable hood light. There's a awesome feature of Ford in the 1980 model year. Best part of this truck is actually the interior. And you can see the interior is really clean, none of the wood grain's faded. CB works. Runs really well. And the factory, this is an awesome option. It still works. The door unlocks when you pull on the lever. I hope everybody has a nice day. Thank you for watching my video.
Well, that was this week's videos. And remember to have your car shown here, and to compete to win, email me a picture of your car and I'll choose the best ones to show in next week's episode. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.